Welcome to 3D Printer OS, the easiest way to manage your 3D printers across your organization. In this video, we will showcase the Statistics and Activity tab in the cloud. You have plenty of ways to sort your activity. In our case, we will choose to show only finished prints. Let's take a look at one of the finished jobs. In this window, you can find logs, settings, and a time-lapse video for the file. To preview a printed model, navigate to the toolpath and preview. You can find overall statistics from all over the world or from your organization in these two tabs. For a more specific search, you can assign a date range or search by printer, user, or job name. Feel free to check out our channel for more videos about our platform. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.